Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is unplug the power cord for safety reasons. Today's project will be on replacing a relay on a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. First thing we want to do is remove this back cover. And there's 4 1/4 inch head screws that have to be removed. I have an electric screwdriver with a 1/4 inch bit, or you can use a nut driver, a 1/4 inch nut driver if you don't have the electric screwdriver. Really simple. Just 4 screws that's holding up the back cover, and screw them off and remove the cover. Okay. I'm going to remove the retainer clip that holds the relay and the capacitor in position. You get some pliers and push in and take it out of the rack, the bracket, and then you want to get a screwdriver and do not damage the relay, but just wiggle it back and forth. Get it loose enough to pull it off the 3 prongs of the compressor. So be really careful with it. Wiggle it left and right, and slowly it'll work itself away. And there you have the capacitor and the relay to the combo right there. Now I'm taking off the black capacitor of the relay, and there you have it. You have it. Also, there's a wire in the back that plugs into the relay. That gives the relay power right there. So that has to be taken off. It came off while I was pulling it off. So make sure you have that connection on there. Okay, to install the relay, you want to put the capacitor back onto the relay. Just slide it into the 2 tabs at the bottom of the relay. And there you have it. Now the capacitor is on. And then with the 1 pin up and the 2 pins down, you're going to slide that relay into the compressor. There you go. And just wiggle it back on like you wiggle it off. Make sure it's tight and secure. Then you want to add the power. Slide that back on to the back of the relay. And you got power to the relay now once you plug it up. And the retaining clip, you're just going to grab the retaining clip and slide it right back into its spot. And make sure the relay is secure with the retaining clip going around. And of course, we have to put the back cover back on. Make sure no dust gets all in inside the condenser. And just reverse what you did when you took it off. It's 4 1/4 inch screws. Really simple project. Shouldn't take you that much time to do this project. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more video projects on appliance repair. If you'd like to donate, there's a donate link in the description. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad. Subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.